Good evening and welcome to Radio King. Shrank Yame and Nancy Saturday and Mre. I do Saturday, see a mangana with Diana a year Dawson.
And you know that for buying my news, and the doctor and I are facing back to them. Radio King,
knowing who you are. Wamuti Mamonone, Wamuti Maimu, one night team were all over the countries, you know. Say, oh, baby, I want to Adia Sawadia, now a good evening. Say, Adia Chua wants to the end and I just say good morning. But Ghana time, a good evening. Program check. Knowing who you are. Station check. Radio King. Host check. Prophet Franklin Kwesi Pencil. You can call me Prof. What about the producer check? DJ Patrick, Utimi Channel Short FM DJ Pack. What about a time check?
Jehovah,
54 minutes past an hour for. What about a date check? The 30th day of August, the year of our Lord 2019. Oh, sorry, today is 31st, right? Oh, okay. Charlie, and grow for Pentamagia Catrio. Producer say, and then 31st. 31st day of August 2019, the year of our Lord. We thank God for His protection. Yet then Yamia saw the bamboo and the power they are doing. And then I do more assembly in Kaya dead body. By glory be to our Maker, we are still alive. What about the day check Saturday? The animal Yamao Yako, Yamao Shadi. They do Saturday, they are Ghana, they are a year at Dawson Keke. The level for the year. So I'm going to come be domain crew, domain Amasu. Messi, who be do on a year be tasso than then. Remember when you are shedding.
And you're not a for buying money, some about Ghana. Yeah, this is back to penalty. One radio king, and I want
Send a medical can catch you on it. You might anything they knowing who you are. Knowing who you are. But you never can suffer them. And the topic air them. And the topic in air temperament. Temperament. You got a temperament correct lesson. You bet you didn't come up. Number series Dijuman 0246799602. Watching with Facebook, no submit in the comment and at one. I can kind of the amount. I am saying beside betting the bar, you be yan of a fair the amount. And you have a casa for temperament. I am meaning then maybe about 4:30 the brown up to 5:30. That told you my dear this knowing who you are every Saturday evening.
this is back to penalty. One radio king, and I want and you're not for buying money, some about Ghana. This is back to penalty. One radio king, and I want
Send everybody can enigma you know topic here the man say issue Yakasa temperament, a temperament cry express embryonity. Yan Chibiana Erijumadino, Afisia Siena, a church in name of no automatic Yamasi. But ye, Jumadia bet me a basso, I'm a wet might see what my should be Facebook Live. You call Facebook Live now, search Prof FK, Ubinya. Your YouTube channel also King's Family TV, King's Family TV, King's Family TV. Our YouTube channel and also King's Family TV. Over Facebook, we are Prof FK. We been here live. We bet my TA and so our Radio King. So www.radioking.net, 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 or Prof FK on Facebook, or King's Family TV on YouTube. So you might bet my order now bet my tina o akoma bet my toy mu na eyadwuma kuo bi nipa bi na so ya sene na wode esi wona beti so yetimi hu ba bi etimi de asemu ebra wo etimi de this program na ebra wo very nice way. A True Power Ministry International. True Power Ministry International. TNA. True Power Ministry International. Sorry. True Power Ministry International. Sorry. Asoli way echira kwaya. Asoli ewo Pokuase Mayira enkran. Pokuase Mayira. Bechere Accra Pokuase Mayira. Odi ofro Mayira ka. Uduru Pokuase oso woko Mayira. Kuroni di ya Mayira. Eno nchesa Mayira wo nyina ye. Ensu kuroni ofro Mayira. Ofa kana usubesi osofo aman. Praise before school no a unye siwa we say True Power for assemble siwa for osofo no picture daso direction no assemble no ema no ofa so be ka kopia soro ho wo ye asole kwesi de bia every Sunday anopa 7:30 every Sunday bia anopa 7:30 no wana astate asole wana cha 10 o'clock no wana pon 10 a.m. no wana pon 10 a.m. no one upon one service when you two service just one service now Wednesday bia the abusuya yam bible kese mu adin so do ni kopie wa abusuya me say only odi for FK pen to share when I say nyami tumi eye chuma ukode bia nti ukode ebe say ochina okay say ochina Sunday to ochina say anopa ochina no pa odi for tenase wo okwa aso na ye pon a obetini na di nkomo me ehwa na me so wo ye pon ya ache so obetini odi nkomo na bibia tuma ye kama Wednesday so ebe bible kesi twia so den de mu edin pa o how be na da so awale sem ne ma bi nkoye ukunu tete wabrabo adwuma semi nkoye sika semi nkoye akwantuo yalie bi na abesoro so wudi echia wu hu ba bia mfamfa fo ani chire True Power Ministry International ewa enkran Pokuase Mayira osofo aman odi oso besi osofo aman praise before school na we say somebody so ya chiro say True Power Ministry International fa kwanu mfutukwa na da hono fa so street sabeka kopie wa soro Saudi Arabia na hu kwana na ohwe no bi ya dada wa no wa friend 0246 799 602 0246 799 602 and 0247 566 731. What I say? 0247 566 731. Ufra udi for bejoso. Where udi for nankasa no madam dem ufra bejoso. Ufra obejoso na onu wadi nkomo. Problem bi ekita bi ya na Yankopɔ bana no so atimi aboa wo. Saa asoli na waso asna ye de mewi hui a ere bra meminde bia emra bono 9 fa. Jumako ba ko so won su kure mu dendenden pa eye Christ Pure Word International School. Christ Pure Word International School. Ti abusia private schools no ebu pa na nso udi agro odo oba be ko school bi awie no oba be ko school awie ubisa oba how are you kra na hwewani oba be ko school awie before kwentuminka BC no kwotoro pacha ene mankoyi but modern upe school papa na won kramantemu ha ana wa buruchire na wohwe mu tie mi na upe school bia eye papa pa do ba ko private school a fo ni kire enkran Pokuase Mayira fase amu wa fase clinic na chipe uduru Pokuase a wode wo se wo Mayira fase no enkran kasa chi se ensu na chi fase school no ewo ho a uduru fase clinic na chi boys a school is na banso fefe uko school ya total school nyina abusia uwe fibia school ya hihye glasses wo boarding house papa boarding house ya emma dia eye store be the trust me nu emma dia store be the no science trust me nu a che se do school campus a che se mesi uduru campus wa ho na wo se you school bi eye fe eda mi do me se what na school bi se shewe bi na number bi na che se ye re ma na number bi keke mesi ba bi abani ko school no o hwe na adesua yini firi ho fa ne kire Christ Pure Word International School many director ni share Mr. Niyan Sambi bio ka che me say o se prof school ni dey che se bibia affordable na me say school we suwi and teacher for kire the train college teacher say kire ade ho yi enti school fees a wogini o se prof ya pese ya boa ma obi ya betumi ba school ni bi na o hwe school na si ho na ye kesika o je kire ho bejuru me say o ho bejuru chese enti udo hwe school ni so bo say one number eguso ubetumi afre Christ Pure Word International School amefa number na ma na chese ndie obo amodi ana chese o fre na nya de woni kire wa abusua bibia ba ye kama just say oh abotire udu the way teacher for kyerɛ nkora de the way school wey neat the way oba no ye kyerɛ no sɛne ye bɔ awurade nyame me say enye school bia keke school a wode wani kyerɛ wa o kyerɛ wa de ama wa ankasa utumi te ne yamase say school na wona so ya sena anumre no ye de knowing who you are ebrawo anumre ye de knowing who you are ebrawo enanumre abusua me ade ba akora me fekro say school woni say school na make afro me ho na me medical school sana fa na me medical school bi wo baabi bi na me hu ne yamase kura ne ba fie obi sa kwa no welcome kura no he wani ehwe dinam se dabi ma me mfa me medical school papa na entumi moa ma me mfa me medical school papa ewo popia se ma yera fa se kene chi pe unya duru wa ehwa na school no wo betumi afre director of that school ya na se proprietor of the school ya no obo mad na se ofre no obeje wo so na bibia tuma e kama the number is 0246 864146 0246 Pacho sa wo chro o fa pen na chro e be bo fa pen ma me hwe number iyo na ma nko bam wa nko frɛ ankosi nkrofo ni school num say school bi na ne yanka nkotwa wo ma me ma number no correct number no 0246 864146 Class Pure International School number new 0246 864146 say you mako na so yasin anumre no ye dey knowing who you are at the brow Saturday bia Radio King so Radio King every Saturday 4:30 to 5:30 say you mako na so yasin anumre me say you magi ebra na me say enem ye beka sa fa ho no temperament ye ka say temperament kura any day temperament any day expressing Mamentia wana here Facebook you know me share so much my idea say mo say madaji na butie program very best program say important program ebe this program we on say we obi a we program after this program we are wawale ngu ubenya wale papa na knowing who you are no say when hu nipa kro na ona tene nipa kro na wale nipa kro na bobra no a hu wa brabo na ni so na mo uni nipa kro na nam de ona na father for na ona na ware ya abrabom no chese uye obefa ne mayi ne ma be kototin ade ama yes na kasa for temperament ye kasa temperament kwa ede ye be define say ye be define temperament chese ede ya it my senior temperament na se kire ne kwa fa so betimate ase kakra temperament no me define e bi say temperament e kasa temperament ya the natural tendencies inherited from parents and grandparents which influence our life in all that we do. The case of temperament here. Temperament as an American. The case of temperament. And natural tendency inherited from parents. Abodie ejapadie bi anas abodie subia yenye free maame anaye nananom awum the way you wuni pan as awosu when we say temperament awosu ye kase temperament ya ejina ma esu na temperament ya kan wasem mu awosu na yedi hunkomi na ya wo for temperament ene wo ye kase temperament no a ene no ye be kasa afa ba akopɛ ho your four temperament and your sanguine temperament no your freba akose sanguine and your freba akose choleric your freba akose choleric and your freba akose melancholy and your freba akose phlegmatic ebeka saf ya aduma next week no na yakowa na aka no ene ebe kasa for sanguine na every temperament bia no one strength and one weakness temperament bia one strength and one weakness utieni temperament bia one weakness and then the strength and temperament bia one habit at home temperament be one habit at home society every temperament be one marital life yaba awale temperament be nisu odene di awale temperament be one career adwuma sese oye temperament be one adwuma sese once again I Radio King wo hwe mo Facebook live so a Prof FK we bet me asane de ama we bi say on searching of Prof FK obeni ya hwe ho live Prof FK on Facebook YouTube so King Family TV on a TV channel na King Family TV on YouTube beni ya hwe ho live na ne matimi akoyi ye studio hano King's multimedia ti o ba yo ayi from ha your Radio King ewa ha and then your King's Family TV ewa ba no meti Radio King so ana me na odin komo yi me da bia Radio King www.radioking.net www.radioking.net and then ye kasa for somewhere sai odika ka cho se dwumadie no e dia edaso no knowing who you are hunni pakura oye nti ene ma chiro se nipa no mu afuro enan ye nipa mu nchichemu enan nipa mu nchichemu for ye four type of people or four type of men ye nipa mu afuro mako enan so ene mu ba ko na me bekan four type of human being no ene emu ba ko na me bekan wan semi emu ba ko din ene first sanguine. Are you listening to me? Emu ba kudin and first sanguine. Listen very carefully. Enti na ye din komo e dey first sanguine. And na ye talk about sanguine. Na sanguine no. Say na me di kan catch us ye was sanguine for strength and then their weakness. There was sanguine for strength and weakness. Your strength and weakness. So me started from sanguine for one strength no. Now if we are your weakness very quickly, you run in we wait for penny people now also at church. Your sanguine for one strength. Every sanguine be a very friendly. Are you listening to me? Every sanguine is very friendly. Sanguine be a very friendly. Make sure you put more no. Four type of human being. I couldn't make sure we. Jumadiano aiding the knowing who you are. Munipakura we. But the next topic and the treating a temperament. Every Saturday be 4:30 to 5:30. Sanguine for one strength back one near your papa and other case one who was near my papa back one. Every sanguine is very friendly. Sanguine be friendly. They are sociable. Sanguine for they are very sociable. And then they are very charismatic. Sanguine be charismatic. Sanguine be charismatic. Sanguine be frank. Every sanguine is frank. And then every sanguine is confident. Sanguine be confident. Sanguine be very confident. Sanguine be forgiving. Omo very forgiving people pa. Sanguine for they are very compassionate pa. Omo very compassionate. Sanguine phobia. We bet in the messages no and our same be any question be our contribution be a comment be able to for Facebook area by back in camera. Send me a person be send me wait there for Facebook area back and WhatsApp line 0246 799602. Your WhatsApp line 0246 799602. And and I bet me a friend so 0247 566 731 0247 566 731 ubet my friend na we bisa ne opese obisa na ya answer Sam bia say caring Sam bia very caring. That's the strength. Friendly, sociable, charismatic, frank, confident, forgiving, compassionate, and then caring. That's the positive side. The strength. Young person for weakness. When weakness, they are very careless. They are forgetful people. They are impulsive people. They are unpredictable people. They are talkative. They are noisy people. They are boastful people. And then sanguine, they are not disciplined. Sanguine people, they are not disciplined. So when we say at the end, and now there are 4 types of human beings. Obia one strength and then weakness. But and then we are talking about the sanguine because that topic, a temperament. Until they are talking about sanguine for next week in temperament in the year, you better treat temperament about 1 month. I'm here to me. There are 4 types of temperament in the year. But I say, Obia sanguine be an habit at home. So something for fear or habit at home at the same. Once again, bet me a friend 0247 566 731 0247 566 731. Bet me a friend. Bet me a WhatsApp and so 0246 799 602. Bet me a WhatsApp and Hi Radio King. Hi Radio King. Hi Radio King. Something for fear or habit at home. Habit at home at the same. Something for fear habit at home. The sanguine attract attention from everyone in the home, including those who visit the home. Obi a sanguine so with fear. Always make sure say just obey me attract everybody attention to fear. Obey my jobia attention abanso obey my jobia gain abanso. Including all crowd of your best or much as a neon, some will be many paradia banished. And then something full of fear. Every song will be a fear. They makes everyone happy because of his friendly or because of their friendly life. So something full of fear. Almost friendly life, Minty. Almost friendly life, no. So almost fear. Omo make sure so be mo bi wo fie bi ni ache omo fear they make sure say obi wo fie bi omo ni ache. Once again here is Radio King sanging for fear we make sure say obi mo bi wo fie bi ni because they are very friendly and then they are very friendly. Omo fear ni ntia man krofo ni say because of their friendly and then the friendly ways, Someone for Subano, and you're very hardly to see someone say the wolf. Very hardly to see someone or to see him angry. If at all for a while. Send the book once to be now boom back on. Once a while, boys and the book back on me. Someone for Sano Musubanti. Mechino Musubai or Mufia. The someone is kind to everyone in the home. Singing for Mufia, they are very kind to everyone in the home. We are talking about the 4 characters or the 4 temperament of human being. And they can want some singing for. The someone is kind to everyone in the home. He share whatever he has with those who are in need. That is singing people. They share whatever they have to those who are in need. And then he believed in giving. Those who are sanguine, they believe in giving. And kanka children in the home, they love sanguine people. So sanguine for fear and cry will feel what a sanguine for us and papa. That is sanguine people. I read looking. Once again, my name is Prof. FK Pentil, and the name producer DJ Patrick or DJ Park. They have time to pray with them. Say something for fear. They be omoning cry to me. They agro e fear. At times they buy gifts. Utumi to ache dey tin the mama fra. Me chire nipa mu esu nipa ahoro we ase nipa ahoro 9. Nipa ahoro mako phone ye wo. Nti nipa ahoro no ba ko na make ne suban chire wi. Ba ko e fa ne sanwe nti omu wo fear omo ne ye e wo fear. When a family member is sick, so omu wo fear na se busoni bi yale ya. He show how much my friend. One ebe hu the way obe show obe ye feeling bi di amasa nipa no yale no. Onye say at times you know, he stay closer to the sick and encourage that person. At times nipa no oyana no obi somewhere or get closer to that person no na oni ni di nkomo o shedding crying na ne kasa tunufo o hobato sana something 40. The someone is quick to say I am sorry. Those who are singing no omufia they are just say they are easy to quick to say I am sorry and thank you. Singing for thank you nya wanya or can thank you anya wanya omuka I am sorry anya wanya omo singing no. He does not singing for subana make no singing for subana no. And just say easy for them to forgive you. So if you offended some people, will be a song now from now or offended no. They are just say easy to say oh I forgive you, me their child. Sang for son of Musubante. Or no case sang in case or their child, they will never they will never remember what forget it. They forget that offense that offense now no. Something we are there no say I forgive you on Kaibim. No I forget it on Kaibim. The something on the hand is very forgetful very forgetful and then sometimes don't deliver message to the right person at home. We don't have a question something for at times when we tell Friday the one more life for the or pay jokes now grow money soon or at times or we tell Friday those who are sangmen the sangmen on other hand or different side they are very forgetful people and sometimes they don't deliver message to the right person at home. Sign of my life thing. He easily break his promise. Sangmen for a promise or obey break his year. On 10 you on boss so sangwin for 110 you on boss so those who are sangwin or promise or work sangwin for na omu yenkrofobia omu tawe fi enema atwam wonu ne ka asem no enra ene obisa na ne refi Sangwin for we don't cast man and no be send refi. Once again, I radio king. But when it's ready, so why you and the Mekusifa Russia ready moon Yamiu Obekama Ubidi was some amount. So what's it? Okay. I do. I am contented. You are contented. I don't want yes to him. Hey, Yami. Ishira wa yes to him. Na adia ba call sang for say sang for fear omu pedede. They always shout. Sang for omu fear. How rati. Omu pedede papa. And then they are very careless. Sang for. They are very careless. The sangwe is careless and do misplace important items. What the idea man say sangwe ya oyere obi ya oyere no sangwe no ofia. What the idea man say for idea to mama no. Idea to bana bi say idea na madam no here on kai baby called at the crowd. He is very good at omo ye very good e wo fa bi mu. Omo ye very good e wo nema nema bi mu. But omo dede omo wo dede omo wo dede omo did it so mo fear always no tietiem just say or passa or tumu dina no osa no kikam no hurusia. Sometimes they jump when they are watching games or they are watching some maybe a TV maybe or just maybe ni favorite program with TV so o be able to very loud they no kikam
aya na ne fi se nkrofo e wa around aya na we fi se nkrofo around adede na oye no obetwetwe bi aso. That's how they are. The sanguine, they has a good appetite. Sanguine for maybe I don't find for food. Yeah, they have good, or they has a good appetite for food. He has a unpredictable lifestyle. Sanguine for a more unpredictable lifestyle. He can sanguine. Who bet him say as or say just few time. Who bet say we need both no issue. Sana sanguine for subanti. They quickly respond to correction, but they repeat the same mistake. When you mistake here, easy so back to some sorry pass me yes now a patch. I understand it's also matter. My answer prepare the amount, but within 1 hour, I best repeat the same mistake. That's how sanguine for subanti. Sanguine for subano. Omu fear, but ni nyina mu no nneema ni bi wo ha eye. Nneema ni bi wo ha eye. Nneema ni bi wo ha eye. Ni nyina mu nneema ni bi wo ha eye good. Yanke omo habit in society. Habit in society. Those who are sanguine. Yanke omo habit in society. Omo society ni mu ha. They are very friendly because natural no sa ya bo omo. The friendly nature of sanguine makes him loved by a lot of people. The one we friend anything society omo no mutimi nya nkrofo dom omo do nipa bebere wo ho omo ni nkrofo timi ye namfo omo ni nipa bebere dudu no so ni be so omo wo nicknames and the onam na ye friend no no ha na o ma ne seso or person always on namfo be hia ye no mu didi nkomo na omo sere na omo boje so omo yeso etima sa na omo tie na oba betena bro no we so enne oba ye na obenya adamfo se sanguine ba radio kin adwuma mu hanne obeduru studio hanne no obenya adamfo ne yes no ni obi ya ha. That's how they are. Ubetima send no comment and my Facebook ne yankin kama on and ubetima send so my WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp number is 0246 79602 and ubetima afre and so 0247 566 0247 566 ubetimi afre na onso o asimbise bia na wabisa o asimbise bia na wabisa o asimbise bia na wabisa onso ubetima send no comment there ba obese obise bibia betuma sana for Facebook you can come on and ye kasa about temperament ye temperament ni ye chusu baako sanguine for quickly me jump yembre na aya be ti ma me jump nko sanguine for mo marital life no omo awaliemu sanguine for wale a omo awaliemu etisen. The sanguine is compassionate and then caring, so is capable of expressing affection toward his or her partner. Counting a sanguine is a great joy since he will do anything at all to make you happy. That is sanguine people. Owalia onya timma nya atinka papa na ma o make sure say obe woni agi the partner no. That's how sanguine, that's how they are. That's how they are. Sanguine people. When they get married, they make their spouse feel good as though he or she were monarch in a palace. What was the sanguine for? Or while you are money in any kunu, or many kuna if you need to say there, I saw ye or hinibi away in Phoebe. The genocide. That are sanguine people. Sanguine for them. They do not hide secret from their partner. Sanguine nibia walia on for being seen here, on for being seen kunu. Bibiano obey reveal every secret at all. On him said that same see. But they share whatever they have together. Or wali on any chen or one in kuchen or that is sanguine for more wali or more wali. They naturally flow with endless love, talk, and then make you enjoy a good time of conversation. Always no one or no timid didn't come out straight to me, you don't come out, just be your person. Hey, so near to me, Omutano or more insonum Omuta relate yeah omuta no mo insenu taye free pa. They are very close to their in-laws. Omuta no mo in-laws taye close pa. Ta no mo in-laws taye free. That is something for subano no. Se sanwen ni oyoba. Se sanwen yoba. San obi oyoba bi o sanwen de bi an opeso otumi warenten. Sanwen for man omo peso omo warenten otumi nya ne ma. Intentene chese always within the match me dia group in the mabon komo tin the master sanguine people. Beside these qualities, you know, they have some weakness which when not well monitored on weakness be. After good thing we are keke awalimu no awalimu no osanwo sin to kakra wo awalimu in their marriage. They lack loyalty. Sanguine from Walia, our limb they lack loyalty. The end, only more lack loyalty. Because they easy, easy to easy to influence. They are very easy to influence. That is sanguine. Omusuma bakono. To Walia. Son of life tea. Enti say sanguine maybe. Wale nebia obema no oba no ebi omo awale no ana obema no awale oba no otim di sika esen ko bi ma chopman no sanwen udi agro awale mu o di chopman be ka ko ya do ya dia mu be ka ko chi obi na ekom de one na ma wi chopman di ma sanwen ni ba at times otimi issues kan ya ade am fasuo ni so oba na business madua no here na we na mi here we na ekoto we na ekoto intimentima here aduane that is sanwen for musuma ba kono no sanwen for musuma ba kono e wa wale mu enti edu me bia na ne mu na nye sanwen for no wo musuma ba e wa wale mu omo ye nkrofo bi a always no ofia opese da bi ntudi agro na wale mu nsem o be tuju antentem nkrofo atena wale mu nsem sanwen fu suba no otaro na wale se tato abantin ejuma sanwen fo otaye pa no otaye salesmen and saleswomen sanwen fo ejuma omotaye preachers omotaye nkrofo omotaye commentator for omo commentary no ara sanwen fu suman omo ejuma omotaye pa no omo kale no sanguine for no omotaye comedians sanguine for omotaye nkofo omotaye adwuma to say meeting place or omo pro adwuma be like always you know like to say be a traveling job be or meeting people adwuma omotaye ni pe hia ta that is sanguine for suba no so anu me emfa we see ha yemre nti emre na epe me emfa we see ha na me ka wo say one so ya say read mabie bra wo True Power Ministry International wo na cheap bepe na one Christ Power International School wo betumi afre Christ Power International School wo betumi afre 0246 864146 0246 864146 sa na betumi afre True Power Ministry International betumi afre so panyini 0246 79602 0246 79602 Tell me when so ya say anumero you know who you are erebrawo Saturday anumero bia won so person so to be sponsor program now so ye bo odmo de romo a wo so betimi afrem payinfo e 0247 566 731 0247 566 731 wo betimi afrem payinfo na ono atwetwe nkomo na won so ya bo odmo de road ama na won so betimi sponsor program no na bibia atumi ayefam na nema atumi akoyi me do be see ya. My name is Prophet Franklin Kwesi Penton. We share my trouble with my friend Prof. We producer DJ Park. Jumadiene Yari Brown every Radio King. And I share Facebook. Every Facebook page, you know, Prof FK. And I share your YouTube channel, no? King's Family TV. King Family TV. I already show na until any win show. Yes, Wamada Sende, Messan Asande. Knowing who you are asande abrao that's anani yaba yabakasa ade afa correct form yabakasa ade afa correct form na yedigusun yakoye ni mo but ocha yeso ma after church menu be say share kasa fidie so me di jodi be ato di say after church me de be bra after church me de be bra ene so bomode na oni me hia ha bomode na wohwe ye YouTube na wa bomode to ma subscribe pen go say adoma bi aba wono bomode akreka adoma no so e program bi na video bi be tu bi na okura mpo na ye obi abedi Kenya Facebook nso bomode na wa like na bibia etumi aka na wa share so na etumi abo everybody share na on tell me nchira o na nyankopon ka ho irubesi ya dudu akonwa entra so nche anoma